Last bite of meat for 2 months. Yum! Hey, so my partner and I have always been very curious about the vegan diet, and we've known some people who are vegan. We've watched a lot of vegan content creators, and it just seems really fascinating. There's so many personal anecdotes of people who like really enjoyed the vegan diet, and so we thought, why not give it a try? So for the next 2 months, we are going to be vegan, completely vegan, and I'm nervous but also really excited because I have a lot of fun and interesting recipe ideas planned. So I can't wait to cook all the food, and also we want to show you guys some restaurants that are vegan around around Toronto, many of which we have been to. And so stay tuned for some hopefully fun vegan content. Today is day 0. So today is all about clearing out any last perishable non-vegan things. So we've got some like eggs and things that we need to finish. So tomorrow, it's a big day. We're actually gonna go vegan. So very excited, and enjoy today. First thing we're gonna finish up is yogurt. I have this matcha barley tea yogurt with some black sesame seed, some flaxseed, and some chocolate chips. Probably also gonna have some of the stroopwafel and the white cheddar popcorn. I feel like breakfast is gonna be hard because our main breakfast food groups are like yogurt and eggs, but it's okay. I have some ideas. This thing is so good. This thing is really hard to open. One-handed crack, let's go. Oh, I broke the yolk. I kind of up with that one, but it's okay. Gorgeous. 2 perfect bowls of fried eggs. Yes, I know it's in a bowl because I don't want the yolk to go all over the plate. I up one of mine. No. I had the messed up one already, but this one I think should have yolk that's still soft. No! I overcooked it. Okay, now I feel dumb. Sad. These are like the last eggs I'm gonna have before going vegan too, so my bad. Still good. Yum! Look who is hard at work making dinner. Homemade dumplings! I didn't eat it.
Whoa.
Here we have a veggie stir fry with some cured meat. And here we have some frozen homemade dumplings. Dumpling. Got my vinegar chili oil. But damn. And for our next dish, we have the very traditional fish fingers. Nothing like a fish finger to kick off veganism. Last bite of meat for 2 months.